Chamfers are a really common way to soften and break sharp edges and corners, but in the past, they were only able to be created at the part level. Just like with fillets, you can now create chamfers as assembly features. This gives you control over whether you'd like to add the feature purely at the assembly level only, or if you want to be propagated to the part files as well. One scenario where it can be very useful to add chamfers as assembly features is for weld preparation. This lets you easily create the necessary cuts to adjacent parts that will later be filled during the welding process. Here, I have a water tank assembly, and even though all the parts are mated together, in reality all these pieces will be welded. I'll need to create a chamfered cut to increase the surface area for the weld bead. You can find the chamfer icon on the Assembly Feature drop-down menu. Creating a chamfer here is done exactly the same way as in the part environment. Simply select the edge or edges you would like to apply the chamfer. However, if you're having trouble selecting the edge you want, you can always use the Select Other option. Select Other is really useful here, especially when you have two touching edges. This will ensure that you're selecting the edge on the correct part. I'll use the Angle and Distance option and fill out the properties for the chamfer. Again, at the bottom of the Property Manager, I have the Feature Scope section, where I can select whether or not I want to add the feature to the original part files. I'll leave this option unchecked and click the green check to finish the feature. I can edit the chamfer feature by selecting it, either in the Feature Manager tree or the Graphics area, and clicking Edit Feature. Here I can easily add the other edge to create a cut for a V-groove weld.